वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अगेन वी आर हियर फॉर द प्रेजेंटेशंस फ्रेंड्स। फिर हम प्रेजेंटेशन लेने जा रहे हैं एंड आप केयरफुली सुन सकते हैं और कमेंट बॉक्स में आप कमेंट भी कर सकते हैं कहाँ मिस्टेक हो रहा है, मैं उसको इम्प्रूव करूँगा फिर से। सो व्हाट्स अ गुड नेम?
Ruchi.
रुचि। व्हाई आर रुचि हियर?
For my presentation.
प्रेजेंटेशन कैन यू स्टार्ट?
Hello my dear friends, very good evening to all of you. Well, this is Ruchi and I belong to Bhabua and I'm sitting here for my presentation. So before saying anything, I would like to pay my heartily thanks to my Honorable Sushil sir, who has given me this superb chance to speak before you.
Thank you.
First of all, I would like to tell about my qualification. I read in 8th class in RGP school. Now recently I'm doing English language training in LOGAN'S International for my better career. Now I would like to tell about my destination. I want to become a teacher because in lack of education, every child, women and men all feel inequality. But then they will be educated. They won't feel inequality and also they can develop their family and also our country. And the father of constitution also said that every people have right for study. So I want to become a teacher and also for earn money and enjoy my life.
Wow.
Now I would like to tell about my family background. I belong to service class family. My father is a government officer and my mother is a very good homemaker. And in my family there are total 9 members and I have 6 brothers and 1 sister.
Okay.
Now I would like to tell about my hobbies. My hobbies are playing puzzle game, listening music, painting, traveling and riding bicycle, etc. Now I would like to tell about my favorites. First of all, I would like to tell about my favorite book. My favorite book is The Secret because it gives us many secret that we had never know about it in our life. And this book is written by Rhonda Byrne. And one secret is that if we'll check on that time, we also think we can't think negative. If we think negative, our illness will grow up, and on that time we need medicine. If medicine not work properly, on that time we can also die. My suggestion for you, when we'll check, on that time we should only think positive, not negative.
Okay.
Now I would like to tell about my favorite scientist. My favorite scientist is Sir Thomas Alva Edison because he invented many things. But one special thing he was invented, the source of light is bulb. I did say bulb is the source of light because in the morning time we can do any work by the help of sunlight. But in the morning we also need a bulb for do work in different rooms. But in the night, the sun goes to another side of the earth. Then we need bulb for do all work.
Okay.
So my favorite scientist is Sir Thomas Alva Edison.
Okay, very good. Come on.
Now I would like to tell about my favorite place. My favorite place is Tutla Bhavani because there's many trees and rocks and that's my first tour of my life.
Okay.
And I did saw their waterfall and I did first time I saw their waterfall and I like nature places and there is a very beautiful stair. It is like a swing and people jump on it with meaningless, but they did enjoy it very much.
Okay, come on.
Now I would like to tell about my favorite game. My favorite game is puzzle because when we are playing this type of games, our thinking level will improve. And on the spot small events, we know how can we solve it. And also detective learns coding and decoding and also more puzzles. Now I would like to tell about my favorite Hollywood movie. In Hollywood, I like Harry Potter because in the real life behind the movie, the Ron Weasley belonged to very poor family, but then also he make a name by work hard.
Okay.
And Hermione Granger is a very intelligent girl. Because of her intelligence, she was cast in play.
Okay.
Now I would like to tell about my favorite Bollywood movie. In Bollywood, I like Good Luck movie because it is very comedian and it's so middle family lifestyle and it's also so what happened between two big brothers.
Okay.
In South, I like Dear Comrade, and in Korean, I like King the Internal Murach because it is totally famous on the flute that divided into 2 parts.
Wow.
Now I would like to tell about my favorite actor and actress. In Hollywood, I like Robert Pattinson because he is very handsome and he was also rolled in the Harry Potter by the in the name of Hagrid.
Okay.
And he do the acting, he do the drama very best. And in actress I like Hermione Granger because she is very intelligent. In Bollywood, I like in actor I like Shah Rukh Khan because he is very handsome, and he also rolled in Dilwale, Bazigar, Badshah, and many more movies. In actors, I like Shraddha Kapoor, and in South movie, I like in actor I like Mahesh Babu because he is very handsome and his personality is very good and he is very strong. Actress, I like Rasmika Mandana.
Wow.
Now I would like to tell about my favorite the favorite singer. My favorite singer is Neha Kakkar because she's very talented singer, and my favorite song is Mile Ho Tum Humko, and her smile is like that cute baby, and
Wow, nice. Come on.
cute baby and now I would like to tell about my favorite player. My favorite player is MS Dhoni because he is an Indian cricketer. He was the captain of in India national cricket team, and he led the teams 2 and 3 times ICC trophies. Under his captaincy, he won Asia Cup 2 times. He born in Ranchi in 7 July in 1981, but now he lives in Jharkhand, and his nickname is Mahi.
Her nickname is.
So MS Dhoni.
Okay, come on.
His nickname is Mahi.
Sorry.
And now I would like to tell about my favorite outdoor game. In outdoor game, I like badminton because badminton is a total workout too. While you're diving, lunging, and swimming, and badminton can help you burn around 450 calories an hour. Now I would like to tell about my strength. My strength is my Ravi brother because when my parents angry on me and threatened me, now you'll not do study. Then my brother forced my parents for my study, and he also forced my parents apply forms for me. Now I would like to tell about my experience. My experience that earlier if I used to do any work, I used to regret a lot in some work. So I think that before do any work, I should be think well about it.
Okay.
Now I would like to tell about my achievement. I have many achievement. My first achievement is that my math teacher, because when I didn't join RGP school, I know very low quality math. But when I did RGP school, I know many maths out of my range. And my next achievement is our Susil sir,
Thank you.
because I had only hear his style of teach, and when I did meet from him, I realized that he is funny and he also motivate us for our study.
Thank you.
And my next achievement is that when I won the prize for my talent. Now I would like to tell about my pleasant memory. My pleasant memory is that when I play with my friend in my childhood, and also that when I celebrate festival with my friends in my childhood. Now I would like to share the points of LOGAN'S International. Before joining LOGAN'S International, I know I can't understand English question and also English movie. But when I did join the LOGAN'S International, I can understand many English movie and also English question. I also define it out of my range. Now I would like to tell about a topic. My topic is dowry. A dowry system in England was introduced in 12th century by the Normans.
Wow, come on.
Dowry system, it was generally given at the church door at the front of all present public, and dowry system leads to crime against women, ranking from emotional abuse and injury even death.
Don't talk.
Dowry system is a great financier for burdens to bride's family.
Wow.
Now I would like to pass a message for you. My message is that religion is a means enslave our country, and my next message is that be slow to judge others and be quick to judge yourself. It means before demeritating others, you should focus on your demerit and improve it. And my next message is that Great minds discuss about ideas, and average mind discuss about events, and but small minds discuss about people. That's all. Thank you to listening me very very carefully.
वाह, सुपर्ब सुपर्ब परफॉर्मेंस, सुपर्ब 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 सुपर्ब। फ्रेंड्स, आपने देखा इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दिया और लगातार बोलती रहे, कंटिन्यू बोली और बहुत मज़ा आया आज। फ्रेंड्स, मुझे लगता है कि आपको भी ये वीडियो सुनकर बहुत मज़ा आएगा और कंटिन्यू इंग्लिश बोलना कैमरे के सामने थोड़ा टफ हो जाता है, लेकिन फिर भी इन्होंने बहुत लेबर किया था।